What's up, everybody? This is Rockin' Chris at Phoenix Triumph here in Phoenix, Arizona. I just wanted to give you a quick overview on these Triumph OEM accessory adjustable levers. Now, these come in a variety of different configurations for anything from your Bonneville to your Street Triple, anything. So if you are interested in any of these and you want me to help you find out the proper kit to install on your bike, just send me a message or post in the comments and I'll help you out. These are really nice black machined adjustable levers, and with this red anodized lever you can adjust the reach. They also have a really nice little etched Triumph logo on the inside. If you have any questions, make sure to comment below in the comment section. Also like and subscribe so you can keep up with all the other videos we have coming out soon. If you want to see any of this stuff in person, you can always swing by to Phoenix Triumph. I also have some pretty cool t-shirts for sale. So come on by, say hi to me, say hi to Rick Hollywood. We're gonna be here every day except for Sundays and Mondays. Days off, right? We gotta have days off. Remember, you can always call into our store. I'd be happy to ship you these if you need some for your bike. Thanks for watching again. This is Rockin' Chris at Phoenix Triumph in Phoenix, Arizona. You all have a good one. We'll see you later.